All right, today guys, we have a loud exhaust problem. Right there you can see that bolt is actually snapped in half there. And there's a gasket that's supposed to go here and it's just kind of rotted out. These studs are extremely rotted. Well, yeah, it's gone on that side. Still got a stud there, but the nuts are all rotted off. The muffler's still good, no leaks or anything. So what we're gonna do is extract those studs. What you can do is chop off this end, try to get an air chisel and press those studs out, especially if you cut off the back of them with an angle grinder or something. But I have torches, so what I'm gonna do is blast a hole right through all three of them. Just get them out of the way and put new bolts and nuts on with the new gasket. Let's see how this goes. All right, for this one I decided to just go with an air chisel, and because the back was rotted off, I kind of just cut it clean. It was almost all the way rotted off, unlike the top one. Just put my air chisel in it and went, whew, flew out. So that one's out. This top one's gonna be a little more tricky because we have to press out towards the back, unless we want to use a torch or a cutter to cut that pressed piece so it's flat and we can get the air chisel to go straight through it. So, yeah, that's that. I think what I'll do, I don't think I can squeeze my air chisel up there. We'll figure it out. I'll either cut off one end or the other and put the air chisel through. The air chisel torch combo worked like a charm for me. I tried hammering that one out because I don't have much room behind it. Didn't work. Put my air chisel at an angle and got kind of on the side of the bolt and it popped it free backwards. Now we have 3 clean holes. So we're going to push this muffler back, separate it as much as we can and clean that old gasket out. And then we'll put our new gasket through with 3 bolts out of the spare bolt bucket with nuts on the end. Clamp them together. Yeah, we got a new gasket right there. Let's get to it. All right, here's what it looks like. Got my gasket in there with some new hardware out of the spare hardware bolt bin. Just gonna tighten that down and bye-bye loud exhaust. That's how it's done. Air chisel, it'll get them out. Air chisel, angle grinder with cutting wheel. Maybe even just a cutting wheel and a hammer, but air chisel and torch, easiest way.